Fed just cut rates. Wall Street is confused, here's why. October 29th. FOMC cuts 25 basis points to 3.75 to 4%. Sounds dovish, right? Wrong. Jerome Powell at the press conference, December is not a foregone conclusion. Translation, the Fed might pause, here's the divide, two dissenters. Governor Miran wanted 50 basis points. Kansas City Fed President Schmid wanted no cut at all. The committee is split. Powell said there's a growing chorus for holding rates. Multiple reserve banks already requested no change. Why? Core inflation is still at 3%. Ex-tariff, it's 2.2 to 2.3. That's not 2%. The labor market is on shaky ground, but there's no data. Government shutdown. The Fed is, quote, driving a car in a fog. JPMorgan's Michael Feroli titled his note, "Not so fast, my friend." December cut probability dropped from 80% to 63% during Powell's presser. But here's where it gets interesting. The equity market doesn't care. Goldman's equity desk released their color report. NVIDIA broke $5 trillion market cap. Microsoft Azure up 39% year-over-year. Google beat earnings by 7%. Tech is crushing. Volume spiked to 20.5 billion shares, way above the 17.3 billion average. Goldman's SPX target, 68.90, near all-time highs. Their view, earnings matter more than the Fed now. The flows tell the story. Long-only funds bought 300 million. Hedge funds sold 1.3 billion. Smart money is trimming. VIX spiked 305 basis points to 16.92. 10-year Treasury up 9 basis points to 4.07. Volatility is rising. The market is pricing uncertainty. Here's the contradiction. Goldman's equity team says buy tech on fundamentals. JPMorgan's Fed team says don't get comfortable. Bank of America warned yesterday if unemployment hits 4.3%, the Fed holds. 4.5% they cut. The market has decoupled from the Fed. Tech fundamentals are strong. November seasonality is bullish, but December is a coin flip. The trade. Go long tech and financials for November, but hedge with volatility into December FOMC. This is what convergence looks like when it breaks. Fundamentals say up. Fed policy says wait. The question isn't whether the market can rally. The question is whether you're positioned for both scenarios. Institutional signals at retail speed. Follow Gecko Wire for Wall Street research.